Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. I am so excited because today Hay House sent me the next card deck club subscription box. So we're going to unbox it and open it together. I already know what is inside because I get the emails already, but I am so excited to share with you. So if you are already on the subscription and do not want to know what is inside the box, wait for this video until you get your own and then watch it. However, if you are curious about this subscription or if you just want to know and want my thoughts on it, let's get into it. So this retails for $29.99 plus $7 in shipping. And this is a quarterly charge. So this comes 4 times a year. This is a brand new rollout that they did for 2023. And what is included is decks that are about up to 55% off retail. So you're getting a value in here. And it's not just the decks that you will be receiving. There's also wonderful things outside of the box. So you'll get a card reading step-by-step guide, so getting started with Oracle and Tarot cards, video lessons to help you discover more magic about the card readings, and they're taught by, the renowned spiritual teachers. You'll also get soothing meditations, which I have done and I absolutely love them. And I also love that there's webinars that are by the authors of the decks that you've received. So this is going to be exciting because we have Yasmin Boland as a webinar. So if you are not familiar with Yasmin Boland, let me get you familiar. She is the author of the Moonology Oracle and the Moonology Manifestation, along with all of the journals. I am so excited because I would love to just pick her brain all the time. So with that, let's get into what is this box. So this is, again, quarterly, and if you have not signed up yet for this specific box and you want this specific box, you have until the end of August. So by the time I'm filming this, it's about 2 weeks left of the month. So let's get on it if you want it. I highly, highly, highly recommend this box because you do get so much value for what you're getting. And you can cancel at any time, and if you don't like the card decks in here, just cancel and come back the next quarter. But this has also given me decks that I did not know that I wanted, you know what I mean? I was intrigued, but I was like, I'm on the fence with it, and then the minute I got it, I was like, oh, worth it. So let's get into what's inside this box. A note from the editors. As autumn's light illuminates the path for change, prepare to embark on a journey of transformation with 3 brand new decks, 2 unreleased Oracle card decks, plus a wildly popular tarot deck that has been transformed to fit right in your pocket. A combined value of over $60. So you get brand new release decks before anybody else. That is worth it to me. Oh my gosh. So I first started with this subscription box. I purchased it on my own and I fell in love with it. It was great because I was able to get you guys videos ahead of the game because of the fact that they were brand new releases. So let's check out what's in store here. We'll read the back. This one is the Tree of Life Oracle by David Wells with artwork by Roberta Orpwood. 44 card deck and guidebook. This one retails for $22.99 in the US and $29.99 in Canada. Drawing on the mystic traditions of Kabbalah, this oracle will help you to learn more about the nature of the universe and yourself, connecting you with your soul to fulfill your purpose. The Tree of Life is rich with symbolism, and these symbols from astrology, tarot, and ancient alchemy are reproduced throughout the cards. Use these mystical cards to gain a greater understanding of the path ahead. So that looks interesting. I'm excited to see more of that. This is what I'm geeking out over because this has been on my list. I have been so excited about it. This is the brand new Moonology Messages Oracle. This is by Yasmin Boland with artwork by Ali Vermilio. I have been requested to do this deck review for so long. I am so excited to let you guys know that it is coming. This retails for, oh my gosh, this is heck a good price. $19.99 in the US and $25.99 in Canada. The ever-changing moon speaks to those of us who are listening, leaving clues, hints, and messages which come through as intuition. All we need to do is align with her phases and listen to her whispers. The Moonology Messages Oracle taps into this lunar wisdom via 48 moon symbols, helping you to navigate toward positivity and peace. Be inspired to take action based on your inner knowing. Ask a question and receive an answer. The mystical moon is guiding you. So I am very excited about this. And the last thing in this box, which again, I am still so excited about because this is one of my favorite tarot decks ever. The Light Sears Pocket Tarot 78 card deck, and a guidebook is in here. And look, it is a 10. It's not even a tuck box. It is a 10. Love that. So this retails for $17.99 in the US and $23.99 in Canada. And since I don't want to unwrap this right now, let me read you the back from this pamphlet. Brand new release of August 2023, perfect for on-the-go readings, this mini edition of Chris Ann's beloved and vibrantly illustrated tarot deck invites you to travel the sunshine and shadow-laden path of the Light Seer, exploring the light and dark sides of our nature, and it comes in a beautiful keepsake 10. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Watch for the next box coming in December, delivering angels, divine masters, and mystical shamans. And so what's great is they will give you the theme or what to expect ahead of time. So that way you can kind of estimate whether you would like to continue on or if you want to cancel. So like I said, you can cancel at any time, but you're not going to want to. At least I have not. So I have been absolutely loving this subscription box, like I said, because there's usually one deck in there that I am super hyped about and I'm excited and has been on my list. And there's another deck that I was on the fence about or wasn't so sure if I was going to connect to. So the fact that I'm basically getting one deck for free, I'm here for it, and I'm willing to be surprised, even though every time this comes up, I say I'm going to be surprised and I'm going to wait until I get it. I never do because I'm chomping at the bit to find out what is coming next. So I am so excited. I highly recommend the meditations that come with this. You get specific deals emailed to you through your email. Usually it's in, the promotional area of the Gmail. So make sure you take a look and you find it because there will be specific deals just for the card deck clubs. So take a look at that. They'll remind you about the webinars coming up. They'll remind you about the meditations. And so all of the bonus material is basically like a $300 total of what you get. So, and it's up to you whether you want to participate or not. But like I said, this is basically 55% off, or I should say up to 55% off of what you would normally get these for with retail. Now I'm going to turn it over to you. Are you guys excited for this next card deck club drop? Is this something that you've been wanting to get into? Have you heard of it before? I've done a couple videos now on my channel of just unboxing it. So I would love to know what your thoughts are. I know a lot of you have really been enjoying this and have been excited to see what the next box will bring. So thank you so much to Hay House for sending this our way to unbox together. And I hope you all take a look into it. And like I said earlier, if you are wanting this specific box, you have until August 31st to sign up. So as of filming this, this is about 12 days away. So you have less than 2 weeks to sign up for it. And limited spaces are available. So it is first come, first serve. So make sure if you are wanting it, go and get it. So let me know which deck you're most excited about to see a review on, and I will do that one first in the comments. And drop a rainbow if you've made it this far to the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.